Looks like it's trying to correct itself, but it was only like 500, 700 before. That's what 2 spark plugs changed. Those look like, that's number 1. No, sorry, that's number 5. Where the misfire was. That's number